Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage air conditioning app on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and simply tap on the apps. Now, once we are in the apps, we're gonna go to air conditioner, and here we have all of the settings. Now, here in the settings, we have the air conditioner. And as you guys can see, it is basically going through the vents, through everything. We can also just close it up, but it won't change the animation. So here we basically got everything. Now what are we gonna do is here we can sync, we can put it on auto, we can basically, for example, change it to 23.5. Here we can also put it for our legs, and here we can easily just increase it. Now, as you guys can see, when you increase it up to uh, some temperature, you will see that it changes the color. So this is what you guys can do here. Now, of course, we also get the leg conditioning, as I've mentioned before. Here we get the seats and steering wheel. So now we enabled our steering wheel. So as you guys can see, it turned orange. Now, if I'm honest, it does not work that fast, but definitely there is a difference even after a few seconds. So let me just disable it. Here we can easily put the ventilation in our seats. We can also change the level, and you can feel it instantly. Here you can heat up your seats. You can also heat it up for every single one of your passengers. And that's basically what you guys can do here. So now we're gonna click on close all. As you guys can see, if you have it, we can close all. And that's basically how you guys can set it up. Of course, the rear, we can enable it, and it will also work the same. We can control the levels. We can put it on our legs and on our body, and of course a little bit of our hair and face. So here we can choose it. Here we can disable it completely, and that's how you guys can easily do it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.